I guess I could have actually stood up and went to get one, but you know, nice shiny. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be doing the FabFitFun unboxing for spring 2021. Spring is in the air, kind of, a little bit, not really that much. It actually snowed today. I think it's actually currently snowing right now. That's terrifying. But spring is coming and today we're going to be looking at the spring box from FabFitFun. For those of you who do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription with full-size fitness, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle items. You can also customize a lot of the products in your box, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got today. Here's the box. I still can't extend my arms fully because this is my tiny jacket. Looking a little velociraptor-y, but here it is. This is the spring box. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love all the little flowers on the front of it. You might have noticed that the boxes themselves actually look a little bit different, and that's because last year FabFitFun decided to make the switch to 100% recycled craft materials. That's why the boxes are like a little bit different looking, but I still think they are really pretty. What's happening here? Gentle. Gentle. Y'all see that? Which one of these is magnetic? This very large knife or this weird little safety pin? Anyway, let's go ahead and slice on into this box here. Another thing that's pretty cool that FabFitFun has done is that they have partnered with One Tree Planted this season, whose like whole mission is to plant trees and bring back like biodiversity, so I think that's pretty awesome. And another little thing to go along with that, FabFitFun's just doing all sorts of like naturey, natural good stuff. They have created a list of ingredients that are like harmful or unsafe that are never going to appear in any of their products in their boxes, so that's pretty cool. And if any of that sounds interesting to you guys and you'd like to try out FabFitFun for yourself, you can use my code AR10 for a discount on your very first box. Alright, so the very first thing we have on top here is a little sheet of stickers, and yes, I'm nearing 30, and yes, I still like stickers. I think these are very cute. I have a planner that I use like, you know, once every other week or month or whatever. These will look really cute in it. I actually had completely forgotten what I had customized in my box, and it is so not surprising. If you guys, which I haven't done it yet, I'm gonna do a house tour, but when you guys see my house, you'll understand. Let's go for some of these other products first. So the very first thing we have in here is a bath gel. This is from Islands of Italy. Ooh, this is in a peach champagne fragrance. I bet that smells absolutely amazing. I think this is from Baroness Consuelo Cali. Never heard of that brand before, but I am very excited to smell this. Oh, that smells lovely. It is just a very like light peach fragrance, but ooh, it smells good. Oh, that actually is like bringing back memories for me because I did go to Italy. I went to Italy with my parents. It was a graduation gift. One of the best gifts I've ever received. We stayed at this little hotel and every morning they had like a continental breakfast. Don't know what they call it in Italy, but they had like meats and Nutella and all sorts of stuff. It was fantastic. And one of the things they offered on the bar was like canned halved peaches, and they were so good. So every morning I was eating like a stack of just meat with like pieces of bread and Nutella and canned peaches. Ah, wonderful. Okay, the next thing we have in here is from Grown Alchemist. This is a butty cream. I always really like the packaging on this Grown Alchemist stuff. I don't know, just something about that like black and white and very like bold print. Ooh, and the inside bottle is also very pretty. I love this kind of like sea foam, sea glass blue green. And it always makes me feel extra fancy when you have the lid with the little stabby thing that you poke through the metal cover. This is in the fragrance Mandarin Rosemary Leaf, and I love both of those scents, but I've never smelled them together. Oh, that's interesting. You can definitely smell kind of like the herbaliness of the raspberry. That makes sense. The rosemary coming through. Yeah, I just think their stuff is really pretty, and I love the little metal bottles it comes in, so this is nice. Alright, so we have two kind of like body products. I'm hoping we see maybe some more like makeup products in here or home stuff, which I do see a couple of home things in here, which I'm really excited to get to. Alrighty, next up in here we have something from Summer and Rose. These are tweezers with a pouch. How did they know that I lost both pair of my tweezers somehow mysteriously? I learned that trick about opening boxes with knives, and I'm never going back. Oh, these are adorable. These are a very, very cute little pair of tweezers. So we have the little pair of tweezers and the pouch. These are super, super cute tweezers. I really like that design on them. That really light that really light pink and peach together is very pretty. All right, I'm seeing what looks to be like another skincare thing. This is from Earth Harbor. This is the Marina Oh, harbor, marina, it's the sea. Bio brightening ampoule. And as many times as I've read the word ampoule, I still don't exactly know what it means. But this product is plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable. This has spirulina and blutanzi in it, and it is supposed to brighten and balance for an even skin tone. It's a very pretty little bottle. It smells like a department store at Christmas, which is not a bad thing to smell like. That's just like the first thing that comes to mind. It doesn't smell bad at all. It's just department store Christmas. So the next thing we have in here is from Sai. All right, so these little guys are reusable beauty rounds. They are incredibly soft and squishy. I could honestly see myself using this for when I get out of the shower. I always have mascara and stuff like underneath my eyes. No matter how many times I wash my face in the shower, it's still down there. So I like slap on some cream and then wipe it off with a rag, which maybe probably isn't the best for underneath your eyes. So I'm thinking maybe like this with a little bit of like micellar water on it or something would be a bit like gentler for under my eyes. So I think that's how I use these. I'm saving the home stuff for the end because I'm pretty excited about it, probably more than I should be, but I'll get to that in just a little bit. The next thing we have in here are also exciting though. We have two makeups. Ow. Makeups. We have two lipsticks from MAC. These are the Powder Kiss lipsticks from MAC. I don't think I've ever tried one of these before, so I'm excited to see what they look like. I have the shades Work, 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 and Reverence. Work, 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 work. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh, that's a very bold color. Okay, so the two lipsticks that I got are like a dusty pink and a very intense red. This one is Work, 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 Work. And I forgot they literally had stickers on the bottom as well. So this one here is Reverence and this one is Work, Work, Work. Very pretty looking formulas. They do look very soft and powdery and matte. And I have no mirror. Of course I do not, because I love being prepared. Being prepared is just what I'm so good at. Is there anything shiny or reflective near me? No. Is this shiny enough to see? It is. Okay. Okay, so this is Reference on. For me, it is just a little bit on like the petally pink side. I just typically don't gravitate towards lipsticks like this. It does feel really nice on the lips though. There's some like nice oils in there. I'm gonna go ahead and try on Work, Work, Work though, just to see how that looks. Oh. It's so nice that I had a real mirror. I guess I could have actually stood up and went to get one, but you know, nice shiny. Okay, and here is Work, Work, Work on. I actually like this color more than I expected. That first pass over my lips, I was like, oof. That's a bright lip color, but there's something about it that's really pretty. It's not like overly intensely red. There is like a lot of pink to it. I don't know, I kind of like it. It like jazzes up a very simple outfit, you know, like my blue jean jacket, my white t-shirt, and the sweatpants I'm wearing because you can't see my legs. I think it's a really nice color. It does feel very, very soft on the lips. It does have a little bit of that like powdery texture to it, but it still feels like not drying. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the house items here. All right, so the first little item I have in here is a set of coasters from Bloomingville. These are made out of woven seagrass. I have no idea why the camera is making them look green. I promise they are not. They are just a cute little set of 4 coasters. This one's a little bit different than the other 3, but these match perfectly with like everything in my house. Because when I decided to move in and I wanted to start decorating, I wanted everything to be very calming. It was quite a hectic, anxiety-ridden time in my life. So I was like, I want everything in this house to be just like neutral and calming and like a spa so I can chill out. And that's kind of what I've done. I probably will be adding some more like little splashes of color, some more vintage stuff to bring some more like life into it. But right now, the base of everything in my house is just white, black, wood, and fake plant because I can't keep real ones alive. So these are really cute and they will go perfectly with everything in my house. And then the next thing in this box, well, don't you know, it is also like a woven type baskety thing. I never in my 28 years of life thought that I would have as many fake plants and baskets as I do right now. It was actually a little bit of a running joke in my family to kind of tease my mom a little bit about how many baskets she had. I mean, granted, she had a lot of baskets. I haven't caught up with her yet. But daggone, every time I'm in the Home Goods, there's at least one basket in my cart. So the next item I have in here is this adorable little woven tray. This is by Jenny Caney. It is a very nicely constructed, just a little wooden tray. I can see like a cute little candle sitting on this, and then like, you know, probably another fake plant. This is very adorable though. It seems super nicely constructed, and I just think it is very cute and will go very nicely with my house. Alright you guys, so that was everything that came in my 2021 FabFitFun spring box. I can definitely tell that this is a spring box. Just the types of items that are included. We have like the grass woven stuff, a lot of skincare, some like body stuff. It just feels like a very springy box. I am really happy with a lot of the items that came in here, but I would love to hear y'all's opinions, of course. But I also want to share some of the full-size pricing of these items with you guys. So let me go ahead and pull up my email. Okay, so the very first thing that caught my eye was this woven tray. This is a $45 woven tray. Wow. I mean, it does feel very nice and sturdily made, so that is good. Then we have my little seagrass woven coasters here. These are $35 for the set of 4. The 2 MAC lipsticks are $42. The Grown Alchemist body cream is $26. The little tweezer set is $20. My little puffs here are $15 for the 3 of them. The body wash is $22. And then finally we have this little item here, ampoule, which is $38. Altogether, I think that is a pretty fantastic value for the box. I mean, this tray alone pretty much like covers the whole price of the box. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything that came in here. I of course love like the winter and the fall ones because I just want to be wrapped in coziness all the time, but this is a very nice box too. I'm very excited to have a few more things for my house, so I'm happy. Until I break everything. Alright you guys, so that is everything I have for you all today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!